Hello friends, in this video I'd like to solve the following problem from the Finnish high school mathematics competition final round 1999, problem number 1. So we want to show that the following equation x cubed plus 2 times y squared plus 4 times z equals n has an integral triple of solution x, y, z for every integer n. So my hints for this problem, the simplest way is to try to solve for z, and z is multiplied by 4. So maybe it may be a good idea first to consider n cubed minus n modulo 4, and then it might be beneficial to try plugging in y equals 0 or y equals 1. So give it a try and I will see you in a minute. Okay, so I hope that you tried to solve it. As I said, the crucial observation is that n cubed is congruent to n modulo 4 if and only if n is not congruent to 2 modulo 4. Okay, why? No, let's consider 0 cubed is congruent to 0, 1 cubed is congruent to 1, 2 cubed is not congruent to 2 modulo 4 because 2 cubed is 8, 8 is congruent to 0, not to 2, and 3 cubed is 27, 27 is congruent to 3. So in this case, so if n is not congruent to 2 modulo 4, then we let's set y equals 0, and then we have the following: minus 4 times z equals so let's set x equals n, y equals 0, because now we have the following: n cubed plus 4 times z equals n. In other words, z equals minus n cubed minus n over 4, and we know that this number is an integer because n cubed minus n is congruent to 0 modulo 4. So we have a triple of solution. So we have a solution n 0 minus n cubed minus n over 4. Okay. And the second case, if n is congruent to 2 modulo 4, then by some experimentation we can see that by setting again x equals n, but this time y equals 1, we get the following: n cubed plus 2 plus 4 times z equals n. In other words, z equals minus n cubed over 4 minus, or plus rather, plus n minus 2 over 4. Is it an integer? Yes, it is, because n is congruent to 2, which means that n cubed is congruent to 0 modulo 4. So this first fraction is an integer, and the second fraction is an integer as well, because n minus 2 is congruent to 0 modulo 4. So in this case, we also have a triple of solution. We have a solution n 1 minus n cubed over 4 plus n minus 2 over 4. So, as we can see, in every possible case, we have a solution, which means that our task is done, quod erat demonstrandum. Okay, so I hope that you learned something, hope it was beneficial for you, and goodbye, see you next time.